Hello, in this jQuery video, we are going to cover the each method in jQuery. So the each method is a really simple iterator that allows you to go over an array, for example, or an object really easily without having to, manually check for, manually type in each index. If you only have an array of about, let's say, size 5, doing each index is fine, but if you have an array of size 100, or you might not even know the exact size, then using a iterator such as the each method is really useful. So first of all, let's create an array. Var array, you can do this with an object as well that has a key value pair, but we're just going to keep it simple and use an array. Once you got the code and you understand it from this video, the 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 actual jQuery, each method code will be exactly the same. So you'll be able to use that for objects as well. So square brackets because it's an array. And let's put some values here. Let's put Batman, put pizza, let's put Yoda, and we'll just keep it simple with 3, but you can put as many as you want in your array. And if I do $.each, and the first parameter it requires is the array name, so array in this case, and then you have a function callback, and this will take 2 parameters, index and value. You could obviously name these whatever you like. I'm just going to call them index and value just because they exactly explain what they do. And now we are just going to print these out. You could actually, I'll cover that in a moment, what else you could do with it. So we print out index, and then we print out value. Now if we run it, see what we get. Okay, so it says 0, 1, and 2. So this is at index 0 because everything in computer starts 0. So 0, 1, 2. Those are the indexes for each one. And we have the values Batman, pizza, and Yoda. So it doesn't matter how long your array is, it allows you to iterate over it really easily. So index is, the index that your value is at. Value is the value itself. If you was using an object that had a key value pair, the index would be the key and the value would obviously be the corresponding value. So the other thing that you can do with something like this each method is, instead of just logging it out to the console, which isn't that useful, is to put it into HTML. You could use HTML methods, which we've already covered in the HTML part of this series, to put it into a list, for example. So as an extra task, I want you to put it into a ordered list and see what it looks like. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.